In this video, we are going to talk about the order of operations. An acronym for the order of operations is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The P stands for parentheses, E is exponents, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, S is subtraction. This is the order in which you should solve multi-step problems in. We should look to see if there are any parentheses first, then exponents, then you do multiplication and division in the order that you see them, and then addition and subtraction in the order that you see them. So looking at the first problem that we have 24 minus 12 divided by 3. The first thing I say is, are there any parentheses? There are not. Are there any exponents? There are not. There is no multiplication, but I do have division, and the division that I have is right here. So that is the first thing I'm going to do. Now before you do that division, you have to write down everything else. You can't just leave it alone. So I'm just going to copy 24 minus, and then I actually perform the division, which is 12 divided by 3, and that is 4. Now I keep going along my PEMDAS list. So we looked at parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. I don't have addition, but I do have subtraction. That is what we solve next. It's the last thing I have to solve. So I have 24 minus 4. Is 20. That's the final answer. If you don't do it in the correct order, you will not get the correct answer. So let's look at problem number 2. 9 times the quantity of 6 plus 11. So I start with my P in PEMDAS, which is parentheses. I do have parentheses, they're right here. So I have to solve what's inside the parentheses first. So you copy down the 9 and the parentheses, and we're going to perform the operation inside, which is addition. So 6 plus 11 is 17. I don't have any exponents. I skip over that. I go now to multiplication. I do have multiplication. I have 9 times 17 right here. So you just do 17 times 9, which is 153, and that is your final answer. Okay, problem number 3. I have 6 times 8 plus 5 times 2. So we just start in order. I don't have parentheses. I don't have exponents. I do have multiplication, and I actually have 2 different sets of multiplication. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. We'll do them in order from left to right. The first thing that you want to remember to do is actually copy down the plus sign. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is 6 times 8, which is 48. Then I do 5 times 2, which is 10. So I've covered all my multiplication. I don't have division. The next thing I look for is addition, which I do have. 48 plus 10 is 58. There are no other operations to do, so you just circle it, and that is your final answer.